Good morning student, Assalamu alaikum. Today in the maths class I welcome you all. Let's start with the new chapter of subtraction, and we have done two chapters, the number system and the addition, and now we are going to start the new topic, that is subtraction. Let's start it. Dear students, now open page number 20 of your book. This is your textbook and you can see chapter number 3 is your subtraction, and we are going to do subtraction of 4 and 5 digits number. Subtraction का मतलब होता है minus करना. The symbol is minus, and we have the question here. You have done in your previous classes, as in class 1, 2, 3 you have done the subtraction and you know well about it. So अब जो हम subtraction करेंगे वो 4 and 5 digits की करेंगे. Like in the previous classes you have done 2, 3 digits, so now today we are going to do 4 and 5 digits. And simply you will do the subtraction when you will arrange the number vertically if the numbers are given to you in horizontal form. As you can see on exercise number 1, filled up, subtract the following numbers vertically. It means you are going to arrange this horizontal statement into the vertical form, and then you will do the work. So let's start in the copy. The exercise number 1 you will do in your copy. So let's start it. So dear students, as you can see that I have mentioned the name of the exercise build up, page 20 on the top of the page, and I have write the question number 1 as we are doing question number 1 after making the title page. अब ये work title page बनने के बाद करेंगे अपनी copy के अंदर, and you will write the date and CW as well. So subtract the following numbers vertically. These numbers questions are given in the horizontal form and you are supposed to do in the vertical form. So as I brought 3 questions here, you will complete the whole exercise. So look at here on part number A, I have done it in a vertical order as they were given in the horizontal form. So let's start it. 15, 5 can never minus 8. So what I will do, I will take the I will borrow from 3 and it will become 15. Then 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. Then there is 2 cannot minus 3 because 2 is smaller value and 3 is greater value. So छोटी वैल्यू से बड़ी वैल्यू नहीं माइनस हो सकती, तो फिर मैं दोबारा से borrow करूँगी और ये 4 से 3 हो जाएगा और ये 2 से 12 हो जाएगा. 12 minus 3 is equals to 9, and then दिस 3 कैन नॉट माइनस 4 क्योंकि 4 बड़ी वैल्यू है और 3 जो है छोटी वैल्यू है. तो मैं यहाँ से 2 से दोबारा बोरो करूँगी और ये 3 से 13 हो जाएगा और 13 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 9. So 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. The answer is 997. See, now look at on the second question, part number B, 6098 minus 4155. First I did the arrangement in the vertical form, and then I start the subtraction. 8 minus 5 is equals to 3, 9 minus 4 is equals to 4, and 0 cannot minus 1, so I will borrow. So 0 becomes 10, and 1 minus, when I did the subtraction, so it becomes 9. So the answer is 9, and then 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So the answer is 1943. Now look at here on the part number C. There is a 1 digit, 5 digit value, and this other digit is 4 digit value. So simply I did the subtraction and I arranged the number like this, and you will do this in the same manner. 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. 5 can never minus 7, so I will take the borrow and it becomes 15. Then minus 7 is equals to 8, and 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. 0 can never minus 4, so I will again borrow from the 2 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is equals to 6, and here is 1 and there is no value, so I will simply write the one below. So student, I have solved 3 questions from exercise number 1, and you are going to do all the questions in the copy. Now students, after solving exercise number 1, we are going to do exercise number 2, find the difference between the scores. This is the score chart that is given to you about Zia, Junaid, Hassan, Ali, Daud, Talha, Sami. These are the numbers that they scored, and you are going to find the difference. जहाँ पे भी वो difference आएगा तो इसका मतलब है आपने माइनस करना है जिया एंड जुनैद, यानी आपने जिया के नंबर में से जुनैद के नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ठीक है, यानी आप इन दोनों में सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. अच्छा, इसमें देखिए ग्रेटर वैल्यू क्या है, जुनैद की है, सो आप जुनैद के नंबर में से यानी ग्रेटर वैल्यू में से आप स्मॉलर वैल्यू को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, वरना आप छोटी वैल्यू से बड़ी वैल्यू को सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं कर सकते. सो यू आर गोइंग टू डू दिस वर्क इन योर बुक, आप ये वर्क अपना बुक में करेंगे, बट फॉर दैट यू हैव टू यूज़ अ रफ पेपर. You will use a rough paper or rough copy to solve the questions, and you will write the answers just here. So now first is Zia and Junaid. So this is the score of Zia and this is the score of Junaid. So you are going to do the subtraction in that. So आप 65,029 में से 6,853 को माइनस करेंगे और यहाँ पे आप इसका आंसर मेंशन कर देंगे. Then part number B is Ali and Daud. So which value is greater? Ali's value is greater, score is greater, and Daud's value is smaller. So आप 4,000 में से 3,596 को माइनस कर देंगे. 4,002 में से 3,596 को माइनस करके you will write the answer here. Then Hassan and Daud. This is the score of Hassan and this is the score of Daud. So we'll do the subtraction in them. Then Samir and Junaid. Then Talha and Zia, Talha and Ali, Samir and Hassan and Junaid. जहाँ पे भी word difference आ रहा है, so it means you are supposed to do the subtraction. Let me do it. I will do 2 and 3 parts, and you will do the complete exercise. In the previous exercise, I have solved 1, 2, 3, and you will do the other previous 5 questions in your copy, and this work will be done in your book. Now students, I have solved 2 examples here. So Zia and Junaid की subtraction इनके scores की मैंने की है. So 9 में से 3 माइनस किया तो 6, 2 कैन नॉट माइनस 5, so I will take the borrow. बट यहाँ पे 0 था तो 0 से तो कोई नंबर नहीं मिल सकता, so you will take the borrow from 5. मतलब 5 से ये यहाँ पे आएगा, फिर then you can borrow it. So 5 से ये यहाँ पे गया तो it becomes 10, and 10 से फिर ये दोबारा borrow हुआ तो ये हो गया 9 और ये हो गया 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. अब यहाँ से 4 and 6 कैन नॉट माइनस, वी कैन नॉट डू द सब्ट्रैक्शन बिटवीन दैम, सो मैंने यहाँ से borrow किया तो ये 14 में से 6 माइनस किया तो 8 और 5 एज इट इज़ नीचे आ गया. देन अली एंड दाऊद का एक और सम भी मैंने सॉल्व किया है. सो ये आपने सब्ट्रैक्शन करके दिखाई है मैंने. 2 कैन नॉट माइनस 6, सो मैंने यहाँ से पहले borrow किया क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी वैल्यू 0 थी, यहाँ पे भी 0 थी और यहाँ पे सिर्फ नंबर है, सो इस पहले यहाँ से यहाँ आएगा, देन इट विल गो देयर. सो ये पहले 4 से 3 हुआ और ये 10 हो गया, 10 से ये 9 हुआ और ये 10 हो गया, ये वाला 0, देन फिर ये वाला 0 दोबारा 9 हुआ क्योंकि ये 10 से यहाँ पर आना है, तो ये 12 minus 6 is equals to 6, 9 minus 9 is equals to 0, and 9 minus 5 is equals to 4, और 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. Students, I wrote the answer here as you can see. यहाँ पे मैंने इसका आंसर लिखा है और यहाँ पे मैंने अली एंड दाऊद का लिखा है. आप ये बाकी जो क्वेश्चन हैं इसी तरीके से जैसे आई हैव डन इन द रफ कॉपी, सो यू कैन डू इट इन ऑन अ रफ पेपर एंड यू विल राइट द आंसर जस्ट हियर, जस्ट लाइक आई डिड. So Allah Hafiz. I hope the students you have got the lecture very clearly and you will complete your task. What are the tasks? That exercise 1 will be done in your copy after the title page, and exercise number 2 will be done in your book, and you will solve the question on the rough page. I hope you all get the lecture. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.